Hi, we just got a new set of Lego and let's unpack them together.
So first of all, with the instructions, you're going to also see that it has a backstory about what was happening. This is Jaden. He wants to sleep, and you're kind of creating those little pieces together while you're reading the story. Here's the creature. It is going to grab the Jaden, and it's more fun and entertaining for your kid, especially if your kid is like mine who doesn't like to sit on one place and concentrate on one thing. This is the Mateo. Is going to bring the Zblob, so details are small, and it's recommended for kids from the age 7. So much fun. Let me show you, these are the extra details just in case if you lose any of them. And let me show you the Zblob as well. This is the biggest toy out of this set. And you can see it has lots of details, and you can have like 2 options with Zblob. When you have put it all together, then you can have either this blaster, or you can have like a backpack that helps him to fly. So we made a backpack first, and you can also make that green blaster if you want to. And in his hands he can throw a little pieces as well. And we also made a helmet for him. So I feel this toy is pretty nice and entertaining, and as I've told you, the story makes the playing easier. Hope this helps. Happy shopping.